How to enable parental controls on YouTube. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. So if you want to enable parental controls on YouTube and you're on your computer, then you want to open up your web browser and go to youtube.com. Now click on your profile icon and from here you want to click on restricted mode. Click on that option, and after this you want to enable the activate restricted mode option. So toggle this on, and this is how you can restrict the mature content on YouTube on your computer. Now to do this on your phone, tap on YouTube to open it. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here tap on settings. Now tap on general, and now you want to find the restricted mode option. Toggle this option on, and once you have done that, restricted mode is turned on, and this helps to hide potentially mature videos. So for an extra step, you can also head over to your Play Store and from here download YouTube Kids. So in this way you can enable parental control on YouTube. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.